Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be doing homework 21A, the level 2 section. We're going to start right here on this problem. As you can see, what we have here is a circle, and then this is the radius, and then we have this tangent coming across. It's asking us to find x. So what we can refer to is the first law up here. It says tangents are perpendicular to radii. So that means they form a 90-degree angle. So if we look at this tangent here, and we look at the radius here, we know they're perpendicular, therefore x has to equal 90. And that'll be true anytime you have a tangent intersecting with the radius. Okay, the second one. In this circle, we're given the measure of angle PQR as 121 degrees. But the question is, find the measure of arc RQP. So we should refer back to here. It says arc measures are congruent to central angles. So if they're congruent, and we know the measure of this central angle here, we know this angle is 121 degrees, then we know that the measure of the arc has to be the same. It also will be 121 degrees. Okay, on this next one, notice what I'm doing here. I'm adding a 90-degree angle. You may have been wondering what was wrong with this problem. I forgot to put it there. That's there to show you that this central angle is equal to 90 degrees. So what we have here is we know the central angle and this other angle where the vertex is on the edge of the circle, and it doesn't matter where it is. As long as the vertex is on the edge of the circle and it uses the same endpoints as the central angle, then it is an inscribed angle. And the rule is that central angles and arcs are equal to inscribed angles times 2. So in the same way, if this is 90, then x is going to be exactly half of 90. So x is going to be 45 degrees. Okay? Next, this is one of the harder ones. What we have here is two secants. And these secants are intersecting through the circle, creating both two arcs and these vertical angles. The rule that we come up with here is that the angle formed by the intersecting secants equals 1/2 the difference of the opposite arc measures. So we're going to look at the two arcs. We've got 70 and we've got 20. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the difference, and that means we're going to subtract. So 70 minus 20 is 50. And the angle formed by the secants is going to be exactly half of that difference. So if the difference, 70 minus 20 equals 50, then half of that will be 25. And that means this angle and its vertical angle will both be 25 degrees. Okay, last, what we have here is a circle. We have a square inscribed inside of it, and we have a square circumscribed outside of it. So first we're going to find the area of the inscribed square. It gives us that the area of the circle is 18 pi. So the area, the ratio of an inscribed square over a circumscribed circle is equal to 2 over pi. So essentially what we do is we replace the pi with a 2. So if you divide by pi, you have 18, and then you multiply by 2, you get 36 units squared. And last, we'll do the area of the circumscribed square. So the ratio of a circumscribed square over an inscribed circle is equal to 4 over pi. So again, we go to the circle, which is 18 pi, and we'll replace the pi this time with a 4. So when you divide by pi, you get 18. When you multiply 18 by 4, you get 72 units squared. And that's it. That's it for level 2. So I hope you feel good about that. Rewind it if you want to see it again. And I'll see you tomorrow.